Alright, back to the video. Alright, the video cut off, my fault. You want to get this plug right here. And you want to take the plug, so we can plug up here. So you plug on the wall here. You want to plug it up, you want to plug the truck up, man. Cool. And right there, I don't know if you can see, that should light up. Right there. You can see that little light? That tells your plug working. Sometimes you get a plug, it don't work, it won't light up for you. You're screwed. You want to take this plug. I have an old truck, a 1999 Freightliner. To me, it's a new truck. Take this plug. And you want to plug this up. Like so. You want to plug that up right there. See right there is lit? Right there, you want to plug that up. And that's pretty much about it. A bottle of 911. Open up that right there. Pour stuff on top. And like I said, from the bottom, right there. Right there. You want to drain it from that. You want to drain it from the big piece and flip open that little flip right there. Alright? Just a little bit just so you can drain the water out. And that's all you gotta do. So you get up in the morning, your truck should start fine. Alright? Truck should start fine, YouTube. So all my fellow truck drivers or whoever drive a diesel wagon vehicle, maybe be a tractor, a pickup truck, lawnmower, whatever you drive that's diesel, that 911 will get you out of a lot of trouble. All right, see y'all later.